What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I am a firm believer that the crypto bull run might be right around the corner. It might be closer than we think. And as I was making the title for this video, which I made earlier this morning, we saw crypto kind of fall down to lower levels of like or $1.15 trillion market cap. And now it has risen to another level and kind of solidified what I'm talking about. I wanted to see it surpass certain levels overall market cap wise. And we saw it pass that first level that I wanted to see it get past and, run past. But the crypto market, the crypto bull market might be right around the corner. And I want to explain why I believe that the bull market may be closer than we think. And we may see this thing run to ridiculous levels for a lot of positions that we're holding, which will make a lot of us more well off than we are. And if you're investing tens of thousands of dollars right now, expect that to turn into hundreds of thousands of dollars when this does hit this official peak point. And when things do really start running, people are going to start taking profit left and right and feel great about what they're doing there. So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my Patreon, which is in the description as well. And if you want to check out some of the exchanges that I trade on, feel free to check those out. I wouldn't recommend just one single exchange. Make sure you guys have multiple exchanges. You're not putting all of your eggs in one basket because anything could happen. Seriously. Anything could happen with FTX, anything could happen with wallets, anything could happen with cryptocurrencies in general. So just be careful with what you're investing in and don't just put your whole entire life savings or everything that you have now in these positions, because you need to make sure you protect yourself as well. And if you want to take that risk, you're going to need to live with that afterwards. So anyways, let's talk about the crypto market. Right now, the crypto market is up about 0.5%, right? 0.67%, almost 1%. We're seeing it at a $1.2 trillion market cap, which is a level that I wanted it to get to, right? When I see it surpass 1.2, you have some room to grow. You're going to see it get up to a 1.3, 1.5, 1.7, 1.8, which is a level. And then obviously that main level to look at, about a $2 trillion market cap. If we can get to some of these levels, I mean, things will just absolutely skyrocket to all new levels, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything will really start moving. And we're seeing things that are moving by, 1%, 10%, 14%, 25% over the last 7 days. And it looks really, really good. Now, we just recently had some news about interest rates. We had some news earlier this month, obviously, about, inflation and everything that's happening there. We also had some negative news, which I never understood why the market really wasn't collapsing more. But you had negative news about bank failures and all that stuff and bank runs and things that are happening in that nature. But now you have a lot of SEC talk or government talk related to cryptocurrency, right? And this is where I think that the bull run is coming. Right now, the SEC is trying to get at all these exchanges, projects for being unregistered securities, for not following the law, trying to get settlements, trying to kind of blind the market or blind the investors with all of this negativity around crypto. And it may be making some of the people happy, like, oh, they're finally, cracking down on crypto, regulation, all of this stuff. It's making me so happy, all that other stuff right there, right? But in my eyes, I think they're trying to distract us with one thing to kind of blind us from the fact that they're doing things the wrong way, that these bank failures are big, that these bank runs are big news as well. And I think the reason why they're trying to distract us is because the more that we focus on bank runs and bank collapses and, all of that stuff, the more that we're going to see more of them. And if we see more of them, then that does not look good for the government, for the way the economy functions right now. But crypto was not fazed by it. It was fazed a little bit, but wasn't fazed by it, which we thought it would be fazed by it a lot more. So it seems like they're trying to kind of shove something in our face in order to distract us from what's over here. And anytime they do that, that's where you can see, massive activity. And that's where you can see things absolutely skyrocket. It makes me think that when they're hiding this, they know that the crypto market can take it because of what's going to happen. We also see inflation, right? That is easing. We also see, yes, they're continuing to hike up rates, which it's okay. Right? I know people will get upset and say, "Oh, they had rate hikes, and they're going to continue to do this." But until we get to a certain level, I think you need to have something in place until you get back to a form of normality. And we're getting there. We're getting there. We're not there yet. So it makes sense to me why that would happen. But in my eyes, it seems like what they're trying to do with this information here, where the SEC is threatening to sue Coinbase over crypto projects or products, going after Kraken for $30 million, or going after them and then settling for $30 million, is really just putting them in the news for no reason. BUSD. I mean, BUSD is a stable coin. There's no reason why it should have been labeled as an unregistered security. Attacking Terra Luna Classic, something that has popularity, labeling that and UST unregistered security, or trying to. So many different tactics to kind of distract us from what is really out here, which is, hey, these bank runs are serious. Um, and that's why it makes me think. And I was going to say that we're probably going to see some positivity today, and we are seeing positivity after seeing some negativity, that we're on the verge of the crypto market running, the crypto market getting to a crazy level, even the stock market getting to a crazy level, and or at least giving us the opportunity to get to some of those levels. But depending on how much we get distracted by the things that they're saying with um, cryptocurrency, being labeled unregistered securities, certain exchanges being sued for trading unregistered securities. It seems like they're trying to just kind of prolong the inevitable, which is a profitable market, one that we can all realize these gains from. So I'm definitely thinking into this, and I may be looking into this too much. But they're always trying to hide something. The SEC, the government, they're always trying to hide something from us. And they're trying to hide behind something in every single situation. Whether they're trying to hide behind a war, or they're trying to hide behind, I don't know, financial crisis. They're trying to hide behind, I don't know. They're trying to hide behind something. And I don't want to see any more of it. But I also, if they're going to try and do it, I don't want to be blinded by it. So we'll see how this all plays out. I'm excited for the crypto market because right now we're still at a low spot, and people that are investing at these points are going to be really, really happy when we get to those points where it's a 2 trillion, 3 trillion, 4 trillion, $10 trillion market cap. Where are you going to be when it's a $10 trillion market cap? Where's Bitcoin going to be? Where's Ethereum going to be? Where's XRP going to be? Anyways, I'm excited about it. Guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think down below. Am I spot on with this, or do you think it's something else? I'm always interested in hearing what you guys have to say as well. I'm not the end all be all of information. I'm kind of just creating the conversation, and let's talk about it. So, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. And also, if you want to follow me on Patreon, follow me on Twitter, feel free to do that. Those links are down in the description. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.